All right, so now that your Binance account is set up, let's talk about how to deposit money. Yeah, this is the step where you actually fund your account so you can start trading. First, log in and go to your wallet, then click on Deposit. Now you'll see options like crypto deposit, bank transfer, or sometimes card deposit, depending on your region. Next, choose the currency you want to deposit, for example, USDT, Bitcoin, or even your local currency if supported. If you're depositing crypto, Binance will give you a wallet address. Copy it carefully. This is where your funds will go. Now, go to your other wallet or exchange, paste the address, select the network, and send the funds. After sending, wait for network confirmation. It can take a few minutes depending on the blockchain. Once it's done, your balance will show up in your Binance wallet. Yeah, that's it. You're funded and ready to trade. And that's how you deposit money on Binance. Just be careful with wallet addresses. Always double check them because crypto transfers can't be reversed.